nation coupled with strong faith in God to make a difference. A difference that would not only contribute to the welfare of ourselves, of our family, of our fellow men, of our country, but most of all, a difference that would glorify God.
Ano yan? Video.
However, we have
Nakala ko naman eh.
if we did not adhere to the Filipino saying, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makararating sa pagkarobanan. At tayo ay lumingon. Pinakinggan ninyo ang ating inang paaralan sa kanyang panawagan. And for and in behalf of the 2,100 students and 110 teaching and non-teaching personnel of Esteban Abada High School, I would like to say maraming salamat po for your donations. Narito po ang ilang tala ng mga naghandog ng kanilang pagmamahal. Mula sa Box 78, 5 desktop